Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Gomes, got the honor mathematics solution. So let's consider the next interesting logic question, and that's logic question 3. Logic question 3. Okay, so the question says the table below shows the distribution of some scores. First off, find the mean. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, this question is being set from statistics 1. The question is being set from statistics 1. That is the first thing you have to know. The second thing that you should take note of is what you are asked to calculate. And you are asked to calculate what? Mean. And this kind of mean involves a frequency. Frequency means that each value here appear more than once. Like as you can see, these are scores. So the score 1 appear 3 times, 2 appear 3 times, 3 does not appear at all, 4 appear 4 times, 5 appear 5 times, and 6 appear 5 times. Okay, so these are the things you should know. The first thing is that the question is from statistics. The second thing is that we are asked to calculate mean. And mean, involving what? Frequency. This kind of mean involve frequency. Okay, so let's see the formula for calculating mean that involving frequency. Okay, and what we understand by the term mean. So from the formula, we should be able to understand what it means by mean. Okay, so that does it. So this is a table of a distribution. So we now start by stating the formula for calculating mean involving a word frequency. So mean, yes, mean. Okay, this is mean, which is a S bar or bar X. That is how you pronounce this. Equals, this is a sigma Fs all over sigma F. So see, this is a sigma notation, which is interpreted as sum. You use this one as sum. So what it simply means is this. You should what? Sum up the product of the frequency and the values. What it means is this. You use 1 to multiply with 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 0 plus 4 times 4 plus 5 times 5 plus 6 times 5. Okay? So this one, it means a sum. So that does it. All over, you sum of this also. This one, which is a sigma notation, which represents what? Sum. So it means that you have to add this. So the sum of the product of the values and the frequency all over the sum of the frequency. That's what it means here. So let's first of all consider the up one. Okay. So which implies sigma fx equals, so let's see, we now say 1 times 3, this is 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 and 3 plus 3 times 0 plus 4 times what? 4 plus 4 times 4 plus 5 times 5 plus 6 times 5. So see what I've just done. This is it. So sigma, which is a sum of the product of the frequency and each value, you can see 1 times 3, which is 1 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 0 plus 4 times 4 plus 5 times 5 plus 6 times 5. Okay? Which implies, let's see, and then equals, so we need to multiply them now. So 1 times 3 will give us what? 3 plus, then 2 times 3 will give us 6 plus 3 times 0 will give us 0 plus 4 times 4 will give us what? 16 plus 5 times 5 will give us 25 plus then 30, which is 6 times 5. Okay, which equals, let's see, Then adding everything together, that's 3 plus 6 plus 0 plus 16 plus 25 plus 30 will give us 80. Give us 80. So we've been able to get the sum of the product of frequency and each word values to be 80. So let's consider sigma f, which is the sum of the frequency. Okay, so here is sigma f. So it means that we have to add the frequency together, and that is 3 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so this is 3 plus 3. So this is what I'm doing. This is 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, when you sum up everything, what we get here is what 20. So you discover that the frequency, the sum of the frequency is what 20. Okay, now that we've gotten, you know, the sum of the products, which is the numerator, and we have also gotten the sum of the frequency, then we can now, you know, apply it on equation 1, which is the mean. Therefore, we can now say mean. Okay, which is 80 over what? Over 20. So 80 divided by 20, I think what we get is 4. So it means that the mean of this question is what? 4. The mean of this question is 4, and that is all to this question. So viewers all over the world, if this logic question is interesting, please continue to subscribe into my YouTube channel. And that is all to this. Thanks for now. Bye.